This video tutorial will show you how to conduct searches using index terms for PsycINFO. From the APA PsycINFO landing page, select APA Thesaurus. You can either use a search box to look up a specific term or browse through the alphabetical list of index terms. For this example, I'll be searching ADHD. ADHD appears below. It indicates that attention deficit disorder with hyperactivity should be used. Selecting the hyperlink for the index term will expand the term by providing additional information. The thesaurus entry can include a definition, other terms for which the index term is used, creation year, a history note, as well as related terms, broader terms, or narrower terms. In this instance, there is a definition for attention deficit disorder with hyperactivity, as well as the creation year of 2001. It also lists some related terms, including attention span, distractibility, hyperactivity, impulsiveness, mental disorders, neurodiversity, and oppositional defiant disorder. Looking above the entry, we see previous and next. Attention deficit disorder is listed as the previous index term. Clicking previous, the source record will open and show the definition as well as the creation year. For this index term, the creation year is 1985, and some of the related terms overlap with those for attention deficit disorder with hyperactivity. Both terms list neurodevelopmental disorders as a broader term that applies to these index terms. When we want to be as specific as possible, these more narrow or index terms should be used. For the terms identified for our research area, either attention deficit disorder or attention deficit disorder with hyperactivity in this scenario should be used. If we're looking broadly at neurodevelopmental disorders, we would want to use that higher or broader term within the hierarchy of describing these concepts. To the left of these index terms are boxes that can be selected to incorporate them into a search. Adding to the search from the thesaurus defaults to using the search operator OR, which is appropriate for when you have index terms that address the same concept. Using OR will broaden the search, incorporating any instance where either term has been assigned to a publication. Click Add to Search, and it is automatically going to pull in the index terms and indicate that I want to search where these terms appear within the index term section of the publication details. If you're conducting a search and you already know the designated index terms for your concept, you can add them directly into the advanced search box, then use the drop-down menu to select index terms. That would bypass going through the thesaurus. Clicking on the search button, we found over 34,000 results in which one or both of our index terms appear within the publication. The majority of these results are from journals or peer-reviewed journals. To view the full list of index terms for any publication, select a publication title and look under Full Record. Within the index terms section, all index terms assigned are listed, including the term searched. So far, this video has shown how to search for publications using the thesaurus and index terms. However, there's another technique that can be used to incorporate index terms. Once a search is conducted and the results page is provided, the results can be manipulated further by using the filter options on the left side of the screen. Finding the area for index terms, this section can be expanded to see a full list of index terms that are assigned to these results. This filter can be used to add additional index terms that may overlap with your concept or filter the results based on these index terms. Once selected, the index term is added using the Boolean operator and so the results should use either index term for ADHD and diagnosis.